And right off the bat, we have some character cards, 4 of them in fact. We have Ironhide, Optimus Prime, Red Alert, and Bumblebee. If you flip the cards over, you can see their transform states. It's quite lovely. Incidentally, the card game also comes with these mini cards. Here's a size comparison. And these essentially are accessory cards, weapons, added defense. Think of them like spell cards or trap cards from Yu-Gi-Oh! If I can get these open, I'll show you these cards. It also comes with a life counter. You put these on the characters when they're damaged. And it comes with a instruction guide on how to play the game. Yeah, the art in these cards isn't as pristine as the character cards. It's quite what's the word? It's quite inconsistent. The art style is quite inconsistent. I mean, look at that. Look how different those 2 cards look. And you get 40 of these. And essentially, these help power up your character cards. So, you would equip that when you go to attack. I'm not really interested in these cards so much, even though they're the meat and potatoes of the game. I'm really interested in the collecting aspect, and I feel like this is a perfect start to any Transformers card game collection. I mean, come on, you get Optimus Prime and Bumblebee, and also Red Alert and Ironhide. Anyway, this has been an unboxing video, a fucking unboxing video. If you like what you saw, subscribe.